The top gold information you should know about. Gold investors should have some of their investments in commodities. With that in mind, nothing beats gold. It doesn't matter should you be working to make additional money or saving it for something different, these pointers will help you out. Make sure that you have a quality estimate from a reputable source before selling your gold. Different gold purchasing entities are available, and they also all require different profits from your purchases. By permitting multiple estimates, you can rest assured you will get a reasonable price once you sell. Tend not to dabble inside the gold market up until you have an understanding of pricing of precious metals. The prices of precious metals fluctuate daily, so it's best to know the price of your day. You also need to pay over melt value, however, you will sell below melt value. Always do your research regarding anyone or entity from which you are thinking of purchasing gold, and look around for the buyer with a decent reputation. Glance at the BBB website online for ratings, reviews, complaints plus more. When you get multiple bids from various gold buyers, you are more likely to obtain the top price for the gold. Make certain you only handle buyers which are licensed to provide it. Whilst you can certainly still get taken for the ride, licensed buyers are usually reliable. There are plenty of buyers for gold, so usually do not think that you must come up with a sale for the first buyer which you meet. Although buying gold is exciting, don't talk with people about this. You may possibly not know who seems to be overhearing you, or who seems to be trustworthy. Lock your investment up within a safe both at home and in a bank and don't let anybody else know. These methods provide you with safety and security. Never pass up a chance to look for gold within a thrift shop or antique store. You will find bargains in those places when you're aware of what you need. A lot of people sell or donate at these shops for low prices because of being unacquainted with whatever they own. If you are smart, you possibly can make a fantastic profit. How can the owner determine what the carat rating is? Items are usually stamped. However, if there are actually no visual indications, there are more approaches to determine purity. An acid test could be a very simple method of achieving this, so be aware of that. You should investigate the gold market long prior to you making a smart investment. A lot of people will boast of being experts from the field. Nonetheless, you ought to be cautious about high-flung promises of wealth. Don't overestimate how quick gold will give you rich. You don't have to own physical bars, coins or jewelry to benefit from gold. You have the capacity to invest in mining stocks or exchange-traded funds that have and concentrate on gold. If you would like get physical gold, aspect in the price of storage in the secure location. When you are selling gold pieces you own, keep components of different carats separated. Don't permit the dealer to rip you off by pricing every one of the gold at the least pure carat weight. You can expect to earn more in the event you sell your gold separately by carat weight. Should your gold is already separated, you will definitely get as far as possible for this. Whenever using a dealer of precious metals, carefully examine every page of your contract before signing it. Gold is a huge market which has some serious money associated with most transactions. It's best to concentrate on what you're signing your own name to. If any one of the conditions are certainly not in your liking, try another dealer. Sometimes it's worth every penny to guard yourself financially. Ensure you look at the buyback policy of the seller. A lot of people that buy gold will make you pay a premium to find the gold resold, and a few people don't do that. Make an effort to consider all the different costs involved such as shipping. It is best to take the gold once you purchase it through your local dealer. You can get discounted prices from public sellers. You must take into consideration any risks involved, though. Because of this, requesting an appraisal for your coin in question is essential. If an individual wishes to sell a cheap coin and you are confident it's genuine, take your chances and go for it. When you have jewelry which has gems fitted into the gold, ask to maintain the stones. In case the gems are tiny, though, they will be tough to remove. On the whole, the buyer doesn't want the stone. Before selling your gold, monitor its cost. As the cost of gold fluctuates on a regular basis, it's your decision to find out just when it's the right time for you to sell. Do some research on the fluctuation of prices. So it's very good idea to monitor for some time just before selling anything. Regardless of the conditions of your market, gold is always a popular. No matter the condition of your market, you can always make a profit with gold. This is just what makes gold such a great investment. Nevertheless, you absolutely understand what approaches to employ. When looking to sell gold coins, discover both their collector's value in addition to their melt value. Only taking the weight of your coins into consideration might mean you sell the coins for far less than they're worth. Definitely seek information before the sale so you are aware what you're getting into. Think of exactly how the gold is created prior to purchasing. Machine-fabricated jewelry is just not as valuable as handcrafted jewelry. Melt value will not be impacted, but it really can certainly make a noticeable difference in case you are selling something as jewelry. Reading this short article, you should know much more about gold than you did before. Apply these tips to upgrade your portfolio or simply make a little money. If you would like to find success, make use of this article as the springboard.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.